discuss the continuity of the function fx is equal to x minus mod of x minus x square at x equal to 1. We will discuss the continuity of the function in terms of limit. As you know, in terms of limit, the function has to be defined at x equal to c, and limit of fx as x approaches to c is equal to fc. That is, the left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit. Now let us see whether the function fx is equal to x minus mod of x minus x square, this will be defined at x equal to 1. So you put the value of x equal to 1, then this function, value of the function will be equal to 1 modulus of 1 minus 1, and this will be equal to 0. So the value of the function at x equal to 1 is equal to 1. Then let us check the limit of the function, or the right hand limit of the function. Right hand limit of the function. The right hand limit of the function is equal to limit of fx as x approaches to 1 plus, so limit of x minus modulus of x minus x square, x approaches to 1 plus, so this will be equal to the limit of x is equal to 1 plus h, because x approaches to 1 plus, so we will take slight increment in 1, so x equal to 1 plus h, then modulus of 1 plus h minus 1 plus h whole square, then h approaches to 0. Then this step will be equal to 1 plus h, and 1 plus h whole square is equal to 1 square plus h square. So if you take out the bracket, then this will be equal to minus h square, and this will be minus 2h. So this will be equal to 0, because h approaches to 0, h and it will be equal to 0, or h plus h minus 2h. They will cancel, h square, this will approach to 0 or equal to 0, and 1 here, the value of the limit will be equal to 1, because you see this will be equal to minus 1 plus 1, this will be equal to 0, so final value will be equal to 0. So limit of fx as x approaches to 1 plus will be equal to 1. Now check for the left hand limit. For left hand limit, limit of the function fx as x approaches to 1 minus, this will be equal to limit of the function x minus modulus of x minus x square, x approaches to 1 minus, so you put x value is equal to 1 minus h, that means slightly less than 1. X value will be slightly less than 1, so 1 minus h minus x minus x square, that is 1 minus h minus 1 minus h whole square. So this will be equal to 1 minus h minus 1 minus h minus 1, this is your a minus b whole square, 1 minus h square plus 2h. So this is h approaches to 0, so this will be equal to 1. So you see the left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit. So the function fx is continuous at x equal to 1.